So as promised, this is my second lemon craft that I'm going to show you. This is going to use 5 of our wooden shaped lemons, and it's going to be a cute little garland for summer. Okay, so to get started on this craft, we're going to use our wooden lemons that I bought on Amazon, and we are going to use the same paper flowers. This time we're going to need some twine, and I found this in the dollar store. I bought this a while ago. It's a yellow and white twine, and we're going to do some printouts on cardstock paper. I found 2 different shapes that I liked, so we're going to do every other one. And how I did this was I found the picture and then I sized it to exactly the shape of my lemon. I had to reduce it. I had to make it a little bit longer than the picture normally is, but when you cut and paste it into like a Word document, you can do that. So it took a couple prints, but I got it so that it's exactly the same shape as my lemon. So the first step you're going to want to do is cut these out, and then we're going to use glue stick and some tacky glue to put it all together. So after you cut it out, you're basically going to use the glue stick and you're going to glue your lemon picture to the stick. And I did keep the long stem if you choose to do a similar type thing, and I think it will be fine even though it's not supported by the wood. So just cover your wood with the glue and then put your picture right on top. So you'll notice I didn't cover my leaf with the paper. I'm not going to worry about it because I'm going to put the flower right over it and it hides it pretty well. So I'm just doing a dab of tacky glue and I'm going to glue my flower right on top of where the leaf is. So then you're going to take a piece of the yellow twine and you're going to put it through the hole, and you're going to loop it around your twine. I cut a piece of twine, however long where you're going to hang it, measure it out, and cut it. And then you're just going to attach these to the twine by looping your yellow twine through the brown twine, like so, and pulling it to the front so it's attached like that. And make sure you double or triple knot it because you want to make sure that that's not going to pull through. So you want the knot big enough so that it won't slip through the hole. And then you're just going to tie it in a bow and trim your ends. So once you get it all done, you can hang it on your mantle or on a banister or in a window. I think they turned out really cute and will be really nice for the summer. Lemons are really in right now. So if this is your first time watching, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to receive future notification of posts, hit the bell. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.